Hi, this is Eric Bartzock, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the EMI filter on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new EMI filter for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsfactor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The EMI filter, or electromagnetic interference filter, is responsible for reducing electromagnetic noise that can cause interference with the washer's electronics. If the EMI filter is failed or is damaged, the washer may not receive the proper power supply or may not power on or operate properly. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove these 3 screws on the back of the washer. Then, pull the harness cover away from the washer and set it aside for later. Open the washer's lid. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently depress the hinge on the right side of the washer as you lift the lid. Then, slide the lid to the right as you lift to remove it. 2 clips hold the console assembly to the washer. Looking through the slot that the door sits in, depress one of them using a flathead screwdriver while lifting on the console to free that side. Then repeat the process with the other clip. Next, lift the console assembly and rotate the top forward, being careful as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Then, disconnect the encoder boards. Gently pull on the power cord to disconnect it from the EMI filter. Then, disconnect the ground wire from the filter. Next, depress the locking tab at the front of the filter and slide it forward to remove it. If you need to purchase a new EMI filter, you can check out our website, partsfactor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align the EMI filter to the control board's housing and slide into place. Then, reconnect the ground wire. Next, reconnect the power cable to the filter. Then, connect the encoder board to the main control board. Next, align the console to the washer and push into place. Reinstall the screws and the harness cover. Next, align the hinge on the lid to the slot on the washer. Then, depress the hinge on the right side and slide the lid into place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.